It has this, diamond shape. Oops. So let's just start by talking about the desk itself. So it's actually a custom made one. We have designed it and picked out everything ourselves. And I specifically chose this pattern because I wanted a good background for my videos. And it's my first desk, and the excitement. Let's now talk about my chair, which is this black rotatable chair, and it's so comfortable, and I really into infinity love this piece. So let's now talk about this corner. So first thing over here is this water bottle, my water bottle, ASMR. So next there is this organizer that I DIY'd myself. Actually there are a lot of DIYs over here. So first let me tell you all the DIYs. So this is actually a DIY over here, DIY organizer, DIY pen stand, DIY slash decorating a jar, and keychain, 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 keychain. So in this organizer I have some sticky notes, highlighter, compass, eraser, and a sharpener. And next thing we have is this planner that I made myself, I guess a year ago. It is not actually in a good shape because it's a year old now. And next we have this notebook, aka my bullet journal. I really love bullet journaling, and this notebook is so colorful. Let me show you one thing. Look at this, isn't it cute? My May bullet journal setup. Uh, see. Next. So the next thing over here is this SpongeBob notebook that I DIY'd in my previous video. You can check it out. I will link all the DIYs in the description. And I have some paint brushes over here. Paint brushes, scissors, and hot glue gun sticks. So adjacent to this organizer I have this DIY Harry Potter pen stand, in which I have my brush markers, permanent markers, whiteboard markers, and some other markers. And over here I have my colorful pens, ordinary pen, and some pencils and other stuff. So over here I have my scale, and I have decorated this place with my clay charms. So next to it I have this unicorn jar which I have stuffed with colorful cotton balls, and this piece is actually just a cardboard piece which was there in a box. So I used it to just elevate the stuff because it looks more cool, and it also have a benefit, like I can just store more things underneath it. For example, I have kept this notebook and some other stuff as well, which I'm not going to take out. So onto the center part of my desk. So this is the place where I basically spend most of my time. I read over here, I study over here, I film videos over here, I edit videos over here, and I eat at times, and I waste my time as well. So over here right now I have these stencils because I was doodling. And let's just now talk about the other corner because there is nothing much I can talk about this place. So let's move it. It has this diamond shape. Oops. So I really like this area of my desk a lot. First thing over here is this not DIY, I was going to say DIY. So is this hourglass, diamond shaped hourglass which my father brought for me, and it consists of these penguins over here and this pink aesthetic liquid. I really love this piece. This is so cool. And over here I have my mug and my DIY coaster. Next to it I have this indoor plant. It is actually a snake plant and its name is Kiki. Do you love me? Next to it I have this DIY frame, not exactly a DIY. I just painted over it so that it matched the vibe of this area. And over here I have a upcoming DIY project, so I'm not going to talk about it much. And I have placed these paper flowers so that it looks So the first thing that you see in this drawer is this planner slash notebook that I DIYed in one of my recent videos. It actually turned out pretty good, and again I will link the video in the description. Underneath it I have this pouch in which I store more pens and stuff, and underneath the pouch I have these bookmarks. Again I have a video for these, and I will link it in the description as well. And next to it I have this holder. It is actually a candle packaging, and I saved it because it's hollow. Isn't it mesmerizing? In this I have these two notebooks and my Kindle. I love reading and Kindle is my savior. And the first notebook is actually a DIY. I will link the video again in the description, and in it I just write the stuff I want and other stuff. And in the next video, it is kind of like my art journal, you can say. I write my favorite lyrics and some quotes as well in it. So next to this holder I have this organizer that I made in my recent video. Again I will link it in the description. And in it I have one earphone, not some earphones, a stapler, eraser, my lip balm, nail paint, rubber band, bookmarks, and some more stuff. Here I have this sponge because I need to just rub my to-do list that I showed you earlier. Next to it I have these tapes. I have actually kept them here because I use them very often and it's easier to just grab them from the drawer. And that's it for this drawer. Let's move to the other one. And in the next drawer I just have my backpacks. Nothing much in it.